What is good? It is your boy Mikeyyywill here. If you're new to the channel, please drop a subscribe, drop some comments, drop some likes, drop everything. Everything helps so much, guys. But in this video, we are welding up a motor mount for this 72-volt motor, more commonly found in razor motors and everything like that. But I got the one with the little aluminum bottom so you can mount it easily. So obviously I lined everything up, make sure everything was close to height or a variable height for the chain, so it wasn't so tight or loose, because I know it's going to loosen up, and an easy way is to slide it forward and backwards, or just put washers underneath and have it go vertically. So obviously now that I got everything lined up, you see I got the speed controller, everything is already connected. I finally put the chain on and just made sure everything was going straight, make sure the sprocket wasn't like sideways or something like that. But now we are moving on to putting the bolts into the motor mount so we can actually test this thing to see if everything works. I will put the link in the description for this kit as well. It was off Amazon. And don't mind the rusty welds. This thing's been sitting outside for a little bit. Not the motor, but like the frame. But yeah, getting those bolts on kind of was annoying, but we got it done. Thought it'd be simple, but I just didn't want to use a regular ratchet. I want to use an automatic one. But yeah, look at that. It's going good. Everything's straight. We just gotta grab a battery. Also, we have to install this foot controller or foot throttle, foot pedal. So I want to show you guys what I did with this. So first things first, let's start with this is a QS8 connector with, I guess, 10 gauge wire in it. Yeah, 10 gauge wire in it. Positive and negative. Put the yellow to yellow, green to green, and blue to blue on the controller. Can't see that because the cover's on. You connect the Hall sensor plug. You're going to take your one wire from here, that's your main power, to this connector. Usually it's just like a little orange. You could, hold on, give me 1 second. This little orange connector, you're gonna wire in one of these, and then this is for your key switch. Some have connectors like this, with like this one would be your key switch and this one would be your throttle, but this would be the key switch going right to those wires. The key's not plugged in, and I added a foot, like a foot pedal, but I had to like redo the wires to match the wires right here to this plug. So literally just followed like these. I'm gonna extend these wires and make them look a lot nicer, but for now, I just want to do like a quick little test run and stuff like that, because obviously it's not going to be going. The front tires are kind of flat, but so yeah, just retraced all of them and made sure they all matched up to the corresponding wires, and I wanted reverse because this is a giant cart. Definitely gonna need reverse. It was this, I guess, brown wire with a white stripe and a black wire, and I added this 3-speed switch, and you just have to figure out which mode will give you the correct, I guess, the reverse mode, and then you just tape up the other end wire. I just end up taping up the red wire, and here I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna jack up the back so this thing doesn't roll away. 72-volt Suron battery that we're using. Well, this will be one of the interchangeable Suron batteries that will be powering this little unit. Just turn the key switch. Hear a little beep. If the wheels look like they're turning a little bit weird, it's because the bead is not completely set right on both wheels. But here, let me throw it in reverse, which would be 1 on this one, and watch it go in reverse. Look, it's going backwards now. That's pretty cool. And we back. I just need to figure out where... Oh, actually, let me turn this thing off real quick. I just need to figure out where I'm gonna put everything, or if I need to extend these wires, make longer leads or something like that. I don't know where I'm gonna have everything exactly put, because I kind of want to start enclosing everything. But yeah, that's it on our electronics. I think we got it. We just need a 3-speed switch, another one, because I had to use that one on the ground right there to use reverse, because I didn't have another like button switch. So it's all good. So alright, let's get back to it, and I'll catch up with you guys in the next one. Yes, sir. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, everything. Everything helps, guys. We got more content coming soon. Peace.